Hey everybody, thanks for tuning into the Panda Props and Costumes channel. Just wanted to show off a project that I recently finished for a client. These are custom DJ masks, and they're going to be going to a band in the United States, and they wanted some custom made masks with custom expressions on them and some light up eyes and electronics. So let's check it out. So my clients didn't want to modify off-the-shelf mime masks. They wanted unique expressions for each of the DJs, which included happiness, sadness, and anger. So what I did was I started with concept sketches for each mask and worked with each of the DJs to try to capture their personality. This first one here is sadness. I really wanted sunken in eyes and fairly asymmetrical looking eyebrows, and they wanted a little bit more space in the nose as well, just from a comfort perspective. And they also wanted this teardrop added underneath the left eye, and so I integrated that into the mask, and they were super happy with it. So this one was happiness, and it was actually probably the hardest mask to design out of the entire batch. I was trying to capture a very simple happy expression, but sometimes the illustrations would either look a little bit too maniacal, sometimes they'd look a little bit too dopey, but at the end I think I was able to capture something that was a little bit more bright and cheery, and I think it really suited this DJ. So the last mask design was anger, and I felt that I was able to capture the anger expression fairly early on in the design process. As with all the masks, I tried to give kind of a range of expression. So whatever they were, I tried to do some designs or illustrations that were sort of a little bit stronger, more over the top, and some that were a little bit more toned down. This one was, right in the middle from the get-go. And for this one, I incorporated a little bit of Japanese oni sort of demon mask inspiration to it. You can see the back of the mask have a rear plate, and this houses the batteries and the electronics. So also inside is a receiver, which obviously receives the signals from a remote transmitter, and the transmitter has I think 10 different expressions on it, so depending on which button you press, the DJs will be able to coordinate this with their performances and time certain flashing sequences to specific points in the song. Like right now what you're seeing is like a bass drop sequence for the lights, and then even when they're done the show, or perhaps if they're done a song, they can actually power down, so you can see them fade off here, where they're all turn off together. So I hope you like those. Thanks for tuning in. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.